Hey everyone, want to track conversions in Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and monitor important actions on your website step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the website property you want to track and make sure your Google Analytics tracking is installed correctly. Now define what counts as a conversion for your website. I mean, conversions can include purchases, form submissions, newsletter signups, account registrations, or other important actions. Next, open the Admin Asterisk section in Google Analytics and go to Events to review the actions being tracked on your website. If the event you want to measure already exists, mark it as a conversion by enabling it in your analytics settings. If you need a custom conversion, create a new event based on the action you want to track, such as a specific page visit or button click. Next, test your setup by completing the action on your website and checking the real-time reports to confirm that Google Analytics is recording the conversion. After your conversions are collecting data, open the reports section to analyze conversion rates, user journeys, and campaign performance. Finally, use conversion data to improve your website, marketing campaigns, and business strategies. And that's how to track conversions in Google Analytics. By measuring important actions, you can understand what works, improve your user experience, and make better decisions based on real data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.